Oh, hi, and welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's the second to last recipe for Veganuary.
Oh my
2022.
gosh.
I mean, I've been saying it for weeks. We're here already. So, I was scrolling on my Instagram the other day. Sean's very excited about it, and so am I, because I came across a recipe for spicy tuna.
Ooh.
Made with tomatoes. So, very excited for this. I've always wanted to try some tomato fish. I've got some Roma tomatoes here ready to go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to score them because we're going to deskin them. And you know that's the same in any cooking, whether it's vegan or not. You put it in the boiling water and then the skin part comes off and then you keep the flesh part.
Blech.
I know, right? So I'm going to score all these. I've got my pan of water almost boiling over here. Just going to plunge it in. Going to rescue it.
How long does it have to stay in the water?
Like a minute.
Okay.
Then we're just going to peel that off. And once I get all these peeled, I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the rest of the tomato. Alright, so we're ready to put these in here. They're just going to stay in for a very short amount of time. If I was fancy, I'd have an ice water bath ready for these to go, but
You're not
very fancy. No. So we're just trying to cook the outside layer of skin so that it peels off easily and leaves the flesh intact. Alright, so here's how you see that it's ready. It's starting to come off already. So we're going to rescue this one. Put it in here. Any others? Yes, this one's starting to blister and come off. So once that happens, we'll move these to the next station.
Okay.
Alright, so here, let's start with this one. Very easily, just take the skin off.
Wow.
The dog said, wait, that's way too
Said
easy.
we can't believe it.
I know. So then once you get all the skin off, then we cut these in quarters. Actually, you don't even have to cut these in quarters. The thing that we're interested in is taking the guts out. Actually, it might be easier if you cut it in quarters. I don't know. But we just want that part to come out with the seeds and everything so that we're left with the nice part that looks like meat.
Blech.
And we want all the seeds out. And then we're just gonna slice this up into like chopped tuna. And we're gonna put it in the bowl over here.
Okay. We will catch up with you when you got that all done.
Alright. Alright, I've got all of my tuna cut up. So now I'm gonna make the marinade for it. And I don't have all of the stuff. I didn't have dashi, and I don't have sake, but I do have mirin, which is a sweetened sake. So I guess they're trying to say we want more sake, but not all of it should be sweetened, but this is all I have. So we're going to go with what I have, because that's what you have to do. You got to make lemonade out of lemons. You have to make tuna out of tomatoes. So we're going to start with the sake, not the sake, the mirin. So we have 1.5 tablespoons of the mirin. And you know what? I think I have more tomato than is in the recipe. So I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of olive oil, because that's what I have. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of gluten-free soy sauce, because I'm gluten-free. And I'm going to do...
It's impressive how you open those bottles
Right?
with one hand.
Years of practice. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the... Oh, no. Rice vinegar. And this is a toasted sesame rice vinegar. So, the final ingredient for the marinade is a sheet of toasted nori. So, I'm going to tear this up into small tiny little pieces, and then I'm gonna give this a good mix, and I'm gonna pop it in the fridge, and this should sit for 3 hours.
All right.
It's gonna give us a chance to get stuff done.
Yeah, I guess we'll see you then.
Yeah, this is good because you set it and forget it. Well, for 3 hours. All right, my rice is cooked. By the way, I cooked 3 cups of sushi rice. And just the regular way in the rice cooker. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of seasoned rice vinegar. Probably like 1/4 of a cup for the 3 cups. I'm gonna give it a good mix. And then, once this is all mixed up, I'm going to put it on my parchment paper here and flatten it out into like a brick, right? Not a brick, like a sheet. And then we're going to cut it up and we're going to fry that separately. All right, it's hot. It's hotter than the devil. Ooh, it got a little crispy on the bottom.
Nice.
That's okay. All right, so we're going to flatten this out. Yes, I made an S-ton of rice. I'm probably not going to end up frying all of this because, like...
It's a lot.
It's a lot. So, I'll do my best, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to try and make this as pretty a rectangle as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Because once we finish doing that, we're just going to use our bench scraper to make, like little bars
Okay.
with it. So, it's a little too hot right now for the bench scraper. That's why it's sticking so much. But we'll see what happens.
Look at that.
Alright, so maybe it's not so much. I don't know. They recommend like mincing up the tomatoes. But I'm just going to leave them the size they are because I'm pretty happy with that. Probably a mistake. Famous last words, but...
That's how we roll.
We do our own thing here. So what I'm going to do before I start frying up the rice is I'm going to drain this. So I'm going to take this over to the sink. Yes, there's a lot in the sink happening right now. Don't be distracted. So I'm just going to let this sit. Don't worry about the seaweed in there. I will retrieve it, but I'm just going to let this drain over here while I start to fry the rice. Then we're just going to mix up a quick spicy mayo with some sriracha and vegan mayo. But let me get my pan started over here. I'm going to use some avocado oil because it has a higher smoke point and I don't want my oil to get like weird. So I'm going to use this to fry up the rice. Obviously this isn't SOS free.
Not everything is here.
No. I'm also gonna just spray my my spatula here because this rice is very sticky and I don't want to lose half of it on the spatula. Oh, such nice little briquettes.
Yeah.
It's probably not hot enough, but I'm very impatient.
Yeah.
Could probably do a few at a time here. Ah, I hear the sizzle.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm excited.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be gourmet.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Instagram.
Yeah.
The gram. All right, I got all of my rice fried up, and now I've decided to chop the tuna meat here. So I didn't like go nuts with it. I just used my spatula because it's pretty soft already. So I didn't have to take it out, chop it up, put it back. I just did it basically like this. I've been doing this for like 5 minutes.
Okay.
So now we're gonna make the sauce. They say to use sesame oil. I don't have any right now. Plus the original rice vinegar that I had in there was toasted sesame. So not a big deal. I'm just going to go without it. Watch, it'll be like so pivotal. What can you do? So I've got the mayo in there. That's really bugging me that that's on on there like that. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna throw in a little sriracha. Not too much. We have baby mouths,
Yeah.
so
Don't want to overdo it.
Spicy. And I'm just gonna give it a
I'm so
mix.
excited for this.
Yeah, I hope it's
I
good.
think it's gonna be delish.
It looks like it's gonna be amazing. So you know what happens next?
What?
Basically that,
Ooh,
right?
that looks nice.
Let's fill them up.
And then we'll give them a taste.
Absolutely. No, we're just gonna look at them. Wow, that looks amazing.
It looks really good. And I am ready for a snack.
All right, well,
Ooh.
it's like a little smorgasbord.
Yeah.
Right, don't dump it though.
No dumpies.
No.
It smells good.
I tried a little bit of the spicy tuna, and I'm amazed at how unspicy it is. Which is fine for us, but like, if you're looking for
delicious.
spicy tuna,
This is really good.
add a lot more
It definitely
sriracha.
is
Thank
not
you.
spicy.
Yeah, but it's nice.
This is really, really tasty.
Oh, I guess we'll be making this again.
Yes. Okay, this is gonna sound wrong, but it almost like reminds me of Burger King because of the sauce.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because like,
the fancy sauce.
right. Or you mean McDonald's?
No, I mean, I think it's Burger King. I don't know, one of them, whatever.
Yeah.
Whoever has the fancy sauce, what? They all have that, right?
Yeah, they all have it. I would be interested possibly in maybe a horseradish instead of the sriracha.
Yeah.
Maybe I would substitute the horseradish with the mayo.
I think the sriracha's nice. I just would say if you want it spicier,
Maybe add the
just
horseradish.
add a little more. I was just gonna say a little more sriracha.
Yeah, but
this next bite that I got was a little bit
More spicy?
spicier, but it's not over the top. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Ooh.
All right.
That is very tasty.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
Mhm.
I'm glad I was scrolling Instagram.
Yeah. It's a nice little find.
Yeah, right?
Mhm.
Put that in your back pocket for later. Yeah. There's
you
only
all.
one left. There's only
I
one
know.
left, and it's the big one. We
I
got the
know.
big one. It's everything that this little girl has eaten for her 31st birthday.
Ah! So we hope you will join us for that. And thank you for watching this video and for watching us all of Veganuary.
And
I'm gonna have another one
beyond.
of these right after we turn off the camera.
One other plate.
Yeah. Anyway, if you're not already subscribed, why not subscribe? And we'll see you next time. So until then, much love.